Good day, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where we break down the charts every single week. So if you like money and you like crypto, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get into the charts. But before we do, I do just want to mention that I've been a bit inactive the last week, and that's just because I've got a massive promotion at my work and I've actually started a new role as the store manager of Fitness Warehouse. So the last week's been absolutely crazy, but things are starting to settle down a bit. So I'll be making sure to smash out some videos for you guys. And as well, I did just want to mention that if any of you guys watched my one of my recent videos, top 5 small cap altcoins, all of the picks that we actually posted about 3 weeks ago have absolutely skyrocketed. So I will be posting another video shortly, my top 5 AI altcoins, so make sure to keep an eye out for that one. Now let's get into the charts. Now, as you guys can see, from the start of the year, we've absolutely rallied. So from the bottom, we've actually been on a massive uptrend, as you guys can see. And if we measure this move out from the low to where we are today, we're actually up about 175%, which is absolutely massive. Bitcoin has outperformed stocks, commodities, real estate. It's been one of the highest performing assets this year. So I was telling you guys back at the start of the year to buy down here. And this is where we were buying and where we were accumulating. So we've absolutely killed it so far. But where are we going from here? Well, if we actually pull our volume profile, awesome. So what we can actually see, guys, is we had our value area low back at this level here. So this was our key level of support back in the bull market. We broke down and we actually flipped that level into resistance. And it was resistance here, here, and also here. And when we finally got above that level, that's when we saw a massive breakout out to the upside. And where did we go? Well, we actually went straight to our point of control, which was this zone here. Now, it doesn't look like it was a lot of resistance, but you can tell by these wicks that we did actually get caught up on that level. And now we're finally above the value area, the point of control, guys. So when you break above the point of control and you hold it as support, you're more likely than not going to actually go to the value area high of the range. And why is this, guys? Well, it's because price quite often likes to be traded in ranges. So when we broke below this level, we were actually trading within this sideways range here. So this was our fair value range, which price liked to be traded in between. And when we broke above this key level here, we actually entered into a new value area. So this is our new range here. So our point of control is what's considered fair value for Bitcoin. And when you get above the point of control and you hold that level of support, it's actually more likely than not that you are actually going to see it move up to the value area high of the range, which is about at around $49,000. So from where we are today up to the value area high, that's actually a 17% move. So with 10x leverage, you actually could be looking at 170x times return on your investment. So this is absolutely massive, guys. Now, as well, if we actually pull a Fibonacci retracement from the high of our range up to the bottom, we can actually see that our Fibonacci golden pocket actually lines up exactly with this level, guys. So this is one of the key levels I am going to be targeting for Bitcoin to rally up to. And if we pull up our volume for a second, just give it a sec. So we can actually see that there's a massive volume gap in between this area here. So what this means is there's actually not a lot of resistance that's going to be holding the price down until we get to this high volume node here. And that lines up with exactly our $49,000 level. So this is where I'm expecting Bitcoin to run up to in the short term. Now, when we do get up to that key level, I am expecting quite a bit of resistance. So it wouldn't surprise me if we do see quite a big pullback from that level. Now, give me one sec, guys. I always forget where this is. Let's have a look. Here we go. So we can actually see that this whole move here is actually just a one wave. And we had our wave 2, and now we're actually in our wave 3, guys. And this wave 3 is likely going to lead us up to that 48K $48,000 level, and we're likely going to see a slight correction back down to retest this level of support here, which is our key level. And then our wave 5, this is what's going to bring us up to all-time highs and is most likely going to overextend. So this could bring us up to 90K, to even potentially like 100 to 120K. And this is likely where we're going to see our blow off top, guys, in the peak of the bull run. So this is what I'm currently looking at the market. Right now is a decent time to enter because I do expect us to get that move back up to that 48K level, which is about a 17% move. So realistically, guys, you should have been buying down here. This was when I was buying, but we can't go back. So I would be looking for price to make a move back up to that 49K level. If by the odd chance we do see a bit of a pullback, I would be expecting us to hold support at this key level here to then make that next leg up to around that 48K level. But guys, remember, we are still super early in the cycle, and the majority of the gains are made towards the end of the cycle. And by buying Bitcoin and a lot of these smaller cap altcoins, you have the potential to make a massive amount of money in this bull cycle, guys. So now is a time where you really want to be positioning yourself for this next cycle so that we can make life-changing gains. Now, if you guys like that video, make sure to like and subscribe. And guys, if you do want to help support the channel, I will drop my Ethereum address below. I do all of these videos for free, so feel free to help support as much as you can if you do make any money off of these videos. And as well, I am doing one-on-one coaching. So if you want to learn how to trade, or you just want to learn about investing or how to build a portfolio, all the details will be in the description below. And I'll see you guys next time.